If you have a Pixel 6 or newer, you have access to the Circle to Search feature, which is pretty cool. It allows you to identify and search anything on your screen, in any app, whatever it is. I'm always pretty skeptical about features like this, but I've used this for a while and I've been actually really surprised by how well it works and is able to identify objects and places that are not the most clear and easy to identify. So here's a basic example of how this works. I'll scroll something like Instagram, pull up a photo or video, can be either one, and then I'm going to tap and hold this little bar on the bottom of my screen to activate Circle to Search. If you're using the button navigation, you'll just tap and hold the home button to activate this. Then I'll circle whatever I want to search, and the phone instantly knows exactly what we're looking at. Whether it's cars, electronics, outfits, plants, famous people, or just landscapes or architecture, this thing is shockingly good at identifying stuff and pulling up info about pretty much anything. If you're circling something really small, you can then pinch zoom with 2 fingers and fine-tune the circle to get it just right. You can also use it to scribble over text to highlight it, and you can even circle multiple objects at once. And like I said, it works in any app, anytime. Web browsing, social media, or even your own photo gallery, doesn't matter. If you look at the buttons down there after activating Circle to Search, you'll see a few options. There's a musical note which allows you to identify songs that are playing, and the translate icon next to it instantly translate every word currently visible on your screen. And the microphone icon on the left allows you to talk to your phone and make voice-based searches. Another similar feature is that camera icon on the bottom of your screen. That's Google Lens, which allows you to point your camera to anything around you and have your phone identify what's in the picture. Very similar to the Circle to Search feature, but technically different since Google Lens is capturing stuff on your camera, and Circle to Search works in any app without having to use the camera. And there you have it. Click that like button down there if you learned something new, and make sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out. I post similar, quick, simple guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.